My name is Naveen Kumar. In our last class, we discussed about B forms, and in this class, we are going to discuss about do forms. Last class లో మనం B forms గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో ఈ క్లాస్ లో మనం do forms గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాం. Before we begin the topic do forms, ఈ do forms అనే టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు let us rewind the topic B forms. ఒకసారి B forms గురించి మళ్ళీ రివైండ్ చేసుకుందాం. There are mainly 5 B forms. ముఖ్యంగా 5 B forms గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి. They are am, is, are, was and were. Am is always used with I. Is always used with singular subject. Are is always used with plural subject in present tense. Was is always used with singular subject and were is always used with plural subject in past tense. It is about B forms. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about do forms. Do have 3 forms. They are do, does and did. But we use 2 do forms in present tense and we use 1 do form in past tense. Okay? Let's look at do. Do. This is the first do form. Okay? So do is always used with first person I, second person you and plural subject. And remember one thing, do is always used in present tense. Do మనం ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ తో యూజ్ చేస్తాం, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ తో యూజ్ చేస్తాం అండ్ ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ తో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అది కూడా కేవలం ప్రెసెంట్ టెన్స్ లో మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ డస్. డస్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ యూజ్డ్ విత్ సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్. డస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ తోనే యూజ్ చేయబడుతుంది అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ప్రెసెంట్ టెన్స్. డస్ కూడా ప్రెసెంట్ టెన్స్ లోనే మనము యూజ్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, డస్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ యూజ్డ్ విత్ హీ, she, it plus singular subject. He also singular, she also singular, it also singular. Now did. Here we use did in past tense. Did ni manam past tense lo use chestam and we use did with both singular subject and plural subject. Did ane danni singular subject తో యూస్ చేయొచ్చు, plural subject తో కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. But remember, this is the main thing to remember. ఇది ముఖ్యంగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటి అంటే, keep it in your mind, just గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Do and does are used in present tense. Did is used in past tense. And do is always used with the first person I, second person you plus plural subjects like we, they, Ramu and Hari, Sita and Geeta. Okay? Does is always used with singular subjects in present tense like he, she, it, Ravi, Sita. These are all singular subjects. Did is always used with both the singulars and plurals, but we use the do form did in past tense. మనం did అనేటువంటి do form యొక్క ఫామ్ ని past tense లో యూస్ చేస్తామని గుర్తుంచుకోండి. అండ్ did singular తో యూస్ చేస్తాం, plural తో యూస్ చేస్తాం. Here are few examples, but remember we can make negative forms or negative sentences by using do forms. In our last class we discussed about B forms and we made some sentences in negative forms by using B forms. Okay, like that alane ikkada kuda here also we can make negative statements by using do forms. Do forms use chesi manam negative statements kuda tayaru cheyochu. How? Here few examples. I don't play chess. Here do but not. Simply say I do not play chess. I do not take tea. We do not meet every Sunday. So here I do not or don't play chess. This is a negative statement. How can you say that the statement is in negative form? Negative lo undani meer ela cheppochu? Simple, by using not. If you find not in a sentence, consider the sentence as negative one. ఒకవేళ కనుక సెంటెన్స్ లో మీకు నాట్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే సింప్లీ ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆ సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది అంటే నెగటివ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది అని గుర్తుంచుకోండి. సో హియర్ ఐ హావ్ యూజ్డ్ do with I కదా. సో ఎందుకు అంటే ఐ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్, ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసినటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్, అందుకని మనము ఇక్కడ డూ ప్లస్ నాట్, డూ నాట్ ని యూజ్ చేసినాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, she doesn't speak English. She doesn't. I have already told you does is always used with a singular subject. Yeah, look at the subject she. She is a singular subject, isn't it? So she singular, that's why I have used does along with not, because here I have to make a negative form or negative statement, so that's why I have added not to does. Okay, so doesn't speak English. She doesn't speak English. ఆమె ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడదు, ఆమెకి ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు అని అర్థం. And here he didn't come to class yesterday. Remember, he didn't, you didn't, I didn't, we didn't, she didn't, we didn't, they didn't, Lata didn't, Ramu and Ravi didn't. Did is always used with both singular and plural, but you just use did in past. You can use did or didn't, but if you wanted to talk about past activities, just use did. So he didn't come to class yesterday. Atadu ninna class ki raledu. But when we use did or didn't, remember one thing, when you use did along with the negative form, remember use V1. Use V1, not V3 or V2. Okay, if you want to make a negative statement with did or didn't, use V1, that means use verb form 1 in the statement or in the question. Okay, right. So here he didn't come to class yesterday, I didn't come to class yesterday, you didn't come to class yesterday, she didn't come to class yesterday, they didn't come to class yesterday. So here you don't need to hesitate to use did or didn't, because we use did or didn't in past, and you don't need to hesitate whether the subject is in singular form or plural form. You can use did or didn't along with singular and plural subjects. Now take a look at the questions. You can make negative statements by using do forms, and also you can make questions by using do forms. How? Here are few examples for you. Do you watch TV? Do you play cricket? Do I teach English? Do they come to our home tomorrow? So here, do you watch TV? Do you? Here I have used do because in the question I have used the subject you, second person, and we can consider you as plural also, kada? So you ni plural ga kuda consider cheyochu kabatti nenu do ni use chesina. I kuda use chesukochu, we kuda use chesukochu, they kuda use chesukochu. You can change the subject in the question. You can replace the subject you with I kavachu, we kavachu, they kavachu, plural subject kavachu. Okay, right. Next one, does Ravi play the guitar? Does Ravi play the guitar? Ravi guitar vaistada? Does. Why did I use does here? Because here I am talking about a singular subject, Ravi. I have already told you that does is always used with a singular subject. That's why I have used does with Ravi, because Ravi is a singular one. That's why I have made this question with does. Now last one, did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? Our movie chusava? Here you can observe did and you, V1. So when you use did or did not in statements or questions, you use V1, use verb form 1. So did you see the movie? Did he see the movie? Did she see the movie? So ila anamata. So this is about do forms. Okay, right. So we have 3 do forms. They are do, does and did. Do is always used with first person, second person and plurals. Does is always used with singulars. Did it always used with both singulars and plurals. But remember, do and does are always used in present tense. Did it always used in past tense. This is about do forms. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Thank you so much for listening to my class and watching my class. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you so much.